Many people think that there isn't much difference between a male cat and a female cat. But believe it or not, there are some surprising facts about female cats that are unique to their sex. In this video, we will talk about 14 interesting facts about female cats. Number 14. Nearly all calicos and tortoiseshell cats are female. Tortoiseshell cats, also known as torties, have bicolored coats that look like the shell of a tortoise. Their colors are often ginger red and black. Likewise, calico cats have a tricolor coat with distinctively marked patterns that contains black, white, and orange. Interestingly enough, calicos and torties are almost always female. In fact, research has shown that fewer than 1 in 1,000 calico cats are male, and only about 1 in 3,000 tortoiseshell cats are male. This is because only the female X chromosome carries information on coat color. Males have only one X chromosome, but females have 2 X chromosomes. This means colored coat patterns are almost always reserved for female cats. But there is an exception. Although very rare, male cats can be born with 2 X chromosomes, which can result in a male tortoiseshell or calico. These male cats are sterile and often face serious health issues. Number 13. Female cats form colonies and stick together. In the wild, female cats live in colonies that loosely resemble lion prides. Within colonies, female cats help each other raise their kittens and guard the colony from intruders. The queen cats will nurse, groom, and protect each other's young. Adult male cats, however, do not live in colonies. They remain on their own to avoid having to compete for food and females. Female cats also claim much less territory than male cats. In one study, researchers found that on average, male cats maintain a territory 3 times larger than females. For this reason, it is often easier to introduce female cats to other female cats, or to introduce one male and one female. Number 12. A litter of kittens can have multiple fathers. Yup, you heard that right. Cats can have between 1 and 9 kittens in a litter, and kittens in a single litter can have multiple fathers. As you can imagine, if a female cat interacts with multiple males during her fertile days, her eggs can be fertilized by more than one male cat. The ability to produce a litter of kittens fathered by more than one cat is known as superfecundation. This helps to explain the differences seen in a single litter not only in the variety of coat color or length, but also the personality of the kittens. Studies have shown that friendly fathers produce friendly kittens, whereas fearful fathers tend to produce more fearful kittens. Interestingly enough, superfecundation also happens in other animals such as dogs and horses. And although very rare, it can also happen in humans with multiple pregnancies. Number 11. Their behaviors change when they are in heat. It is important to remember that female cats have a heat cycle, usually between February to October. During these stages, a female cat will experience stress and anxiety. They meow frequently and are more likely to run away or roam for miles around to find mates. They also frequently make a loud, distinct yowling sound to attract male cats. Your female cat may also become unusually affectionate. She may rub up against furniture, doorways, and especially your ankles to spread her scent. When a female cat is in heat, she is also more likely to spray a concentrated mix of urine on vertical surfaces to leave a scent mark and let the opposite sex know that they're available. But keep in mind that although female cats can urine mark, males are more likely to spray urine because they are more territorial. Spaying your cat will significantly cut down on all these habits because it takes away their urge to search for a mate. Number 10. The oldest cat ever lived was female. Cream Puff was an American cat who died at the age of 38 years and 3 days. She was the oldest cat ever recorded. On top of dried commercial cat food, Cream Puff's owner fed her eggs, turkey bacon, broccoli, coffee with cream, and every 2 days, an eyedropper full of red wine. Don't go replicating that diet though. It is important to remember that wine and coffee are toxic to cats. So we don't know how her long life can be explained. It may be that the cat itself was genetically predisposed to living a long life. Number 9. Females live longer. As in humans, female cats tend to live for longer than their male counterparts. On average, the life expectancy of female cats is a year or 2 more than male cats. Although the exact reasoning for the longer life expectancy is not fully known, it might be that males are more inclined to fight, roam, or experience health problems such as a blocked urethra. Number 8. Female cats can get pregnant young. If they are not spayed, female cats can get pregnant as soon as they reach puberty at 4 months old. And in just 10 years, one female cat could produce around 49,000 kittens. Therefore, it is recommended to get them spayed to avoid any unwanted kittens being born. Unfortunately, there are not enough families to adopt kittens, which can lead to cats being abandoned or mistreated. Number 7. Female cats have several nicknames. Molly is a generic nickname for female cats, whether they are kitten or older. When a cat is pregnant or nursing and raising kittens, she is called a queen. This is meant to reflect the cat's importance, as well as her protective nature. Female cats are continued to be called queens until they stop nursing kittens. Unneutered male cats, however, are often referred to as toms or tomcats. Number 6. Female cats are more standoffish. A survey of veterinarians who specialize in cats ranked females as less affectionate than male cats, and some studies support the claim that female cats are more standoffish and fearful toward humans. However, it is important to remember that individual personalities between female and male cats will vary. Other factors such as early socialization, individual personality, and reproductive health are the better determiners of how affectionate your cat will be. Number 5. They are often named Bella. A recent report based on the database records from Nationwide Pet Insurance found that the most popular female cat name in 2021 was Bella. The name Bella has Italian origin and means pretty. Number 4. Female cats are more likely to be right-pawed. Believe it or not, most cats have a dominant paw. Scientists have found that cats show a marked preference for the left or right front paw when it comes to knocking things off the table, walking downstairs, or reaching for food. Interestingly enough, these preferences differ by sex. Female cats tend to prefer their right paws, whereas males are more likely to be lefties. In fact, a study found that 52% of female cats showed a right paw preference, 27% showed a left paw preference, and 21% showed no preference. Number 3. Female cats are less likely to scratch. In the wild, cats scratch trees and fence posts to mark their territory by leaving both a visual mark and a scent. Cats have scent glands on their paws. By depositing their scent on an area, they are marking it as theirs and alerting other felines to their presence. Because male cats are more territorial, they have a stronger urge to scratch furniture, doors, and things like carpets. For cats, scratching is a normal, instinctive behavior. Be sure to provide your cats with plenty of sturdy scratching posts to help them satisfy their need to claw and scratch. Number 2. Female cats are harder to get adopted. Multiple studies conducted on animal shelter data have found that female cats had a longer stay at animal shelters than male cats. On average, male felines were at the shelter for 6.4 months, while female cats were there for 8.3 months. This is likely because many people believe male cats are more loving than female cats. While there is some truth to this, it is important to remember that a cat's affection towards you primarily depends on the cat's individual personality. If you are thinking about adopting a feline companion, make sure to base your decision on how well you two bond with each other. Number 2. Spayed female cats live longer. Studies have found that spayed cats live 39% longer than intact females. This is because spaying prevents reproductive diseases such as mammary and breast cancers. Even better, it eliminates her risk of developing ovarian and uterine cancers because the ovaries and uterus are removed during the procedure. Sterilization also reduces the risk of developing malignant tumors and life-threatening infections like pyometra. A spayed feline is also less inclined to roam dangerously. Once an unspayed female enters her heat cycle, she will do whatever it takes to find a mate. If she's indoors, she'll likely attempt to escape outside. This can increase the risk of getting hit by a car, catching diseases, and encountering predators, which can lead to a shorter lifespan.